Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League not responding on any PC, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just click your Windows button and click on it, and then here we'll find now just type here this command here, local app data, and click OK. Now once you're here, scroll down until you find this one, Epic Games Launcher, and then click on it. Now click Save It, and here you'll find Web Cache. Right click on it, delete, and then just after deleting this file, just go back to your Epic Games, and then click go to Rocket League, click these 3 points here, click Manage, and then click Verify, and after clicking Verify, just wait a few minutes and then restart your Windows and your problem will be fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.